In today's video, you will learn how to make a healthy and tasty smoothie with 7 healthy ingredients.
Smoothies are rapidly becoming a staple to each household, and each house has their own great recipes. I have tried to combine some very tasty recipes that are standard and some perhaps a little more formal than other.
There are 2 types of smoothie: milky and icy.
Both of these are good for you, and it will be up to you to find out which you like best. Here are a few ideas of what to put in your blender. Just mix up some of these ingredients to get a tasty smoothie. Remember to add crushed ice or yogurt to your smoothie to make it really tasty.
1. Ginger.
Fresh root ginger grated into your blender will add a bit of a zing, but be careful not to add too much as it is very strong.
2. Berries.
All kinds of berries are really good for you. They are full of antioxidants and great vitamins that help your body to work at its best. Blueberries and blackcurrants are great for you, and a really tasty addition to any smoothie.
3. Jam or jelly.
This may seem like a bizarre thing to add to a smoothie, but be assured it is a very tasty ingredient. Any jam or jelly is convenient to use, and 1 teaspoonful is enough to give an extra zing to your drink.
4. Vegetables.
Any vegetable that you have in your fridge that has a slight sweet taste to it can be added in small quantities. For example, carrots, cucumber, celery, peppers and tomatoes. Just a few will help make a great sweet and sour flavor to any drink.
5. Soya.
Soya milk or yogurt is healthier for you than ordinary kinds and tastes good too. Many people think that soya products must taste disgusting because they are good for you, but if you haven't tried them, give them a taste.
6. Lime.
To add lime juice and grated lime zest is a really zingy taste, but one that is also fresh and cleansing. But be careful not to add too much as it is quite strong. Vary the amounts each time you make it to find out how much you prefer.
7. Honey.
This or maple syrup makes a smoothie sweeter without using refined sugar. Putting in 1 to 2 teaspoons of either will bring a great flavor to your drink. If you like the video, give up a thumbs up and share your friends. For more healthy information about a healthy lifestyle, subscribe to the channel.